Alright crew, welcome to my channel. So today is my first official vlog on my YouTube channel, so if I'm cringy as fuck, I'm sorry, it's my first time. I'm gonna show you guys my pancake recipe. Just so we are clear, I am not sponsored by My Protein, but if My Protein, you are watching this, I love your stuff. If you want to give me a gift card or whatever, that would be sick, but if you don't, I will continue loving the brand and supporting you. What kind of a negotiation was that? On the table here, we have all our essential pancake toppings that I personally like to add on top of my pancakes. Here's some extra love, if you know what I mean, some sugar and some peanut butter. So here we have semi-skim milk. You can use whole milk if you want. I just like to keep my fat low, so I like to use semi-skim milk, but you can use whole milk if that's what you prefer. First, we're gonna measure up exactly 185 milliliters of milk. No more than 185. We need total concentration here. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, we're almost there, we're almost there, we're almost there! Cool. After that, I like to add 2 scoops of maple syrup My Protein pancake mix. So just dump that right in. Two scoops. Boom. Now all you have to do is close the shaker cup and then give it a good shake.
Three weeks later.
Cool. Let's open it up and see how it looks. Oh yes, so come closer. So this is the consistency that you need. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Cool, so now you're done shaking. We need to go cook it up. So I will see you guys in the kitchen. Sick. Now you're in my kitchen. So we're just going to warm the 2 pans. So we're gonna use this little like egg cooker for the pancakes, and then this we're gonna keep warm. Get the heat going for both pans. Get my plate. So one thing I learned doing pancake is that the heat should not be on the hottest, because that will just burn the pancakes. So what you want to do is you want to turn the heat like low heat, so it heats the pan slowly, and it will cook the pancakes slowly. Or else your pancakes may cook too fast and the bottom will be burnt. So that's just one tip for you guys. We're just gonna add some olive oil to each pan. Not too much, just a little bit. I like to use this just to spread the oil evenly. Sick. Alright. Oh, nobody saw that. What I like so much about using the protein shaker is that you get to shake it inside the bottle, and then when you need it, you just pop it open, pour the pancake into the pot, make sure it's even, and just let it sit there. So that will be one pancake. The way you tell if it's cooked properly is that it will start making like little bubbles on the surface. Once you see like a lot of it, look. Once you see a lot of little bubbles, then you know your pancake is ready to be flipped. This is always a hit or miss. I'm not the greatest pancake flipper, but this is how you do it. Ready? Well, it's not the worst. It's not the worst, but it's also not my best pancake. But yeah, look how clean this flip is. From the small pan to the big pan, 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 and then it's gonna remain cooking here. I'm gonna cook up the remaining pancakes, and then I will see you guys again in my living room. Back in my living room, guys, look at this plate of beautiful pancakes. Oh man, they look amazing. We actually had to top off my protein shake again, so with my original batch you can make like 3 or 4 depending on how thin or thick you like your pancakes, but here we have around 7 pancakes. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna throw some toppings on it. So I personally really like blueberries, so I'm just gonna put some blueberries around the pancakes. And then I also like bananas, so we're gonna put some bananas around the pancakes as well. Oh, let me put it in front so you guys can see. We're gonna try and make this as beautiful as possible, you know, so you guys don't hate on me. Sick, and to top things off, just because we need to be a little bit extra, we need to add one strawberry on top. Oh wow, doesn't that look like restaurant made pancakes? And if you like, you can add honey over the top, or you can add some peanut butter. I think I will add some honey, some drizzle action for you guys. No peanut butter today, so come close with the camera. Oh, this is money shot. Oh, look at that. And there you have it. Jackie.Sai.Yen protein pancake combination. So I will put the macros up here without all the extra toppings, and I will put a separate macros up here including the toppings so you guys can see. Anyways, if you guys found this informative, please give me a follow. I will make more videos just like this. So yeah, I really appreciate if you guys can follow me. That's it for me. Let's eat this damn pancake.